Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a super tasty and pretty looking Neapolitan cupcakes. Neapolitan cupcakes are nothing but cakes which has 3 flavors in one cake. The 3 flavors are the most favorite flavors, the chocolate, vanilla and the strawberry. These 3 flavors combine together to make these truly delicious little pieces of cake. So today let's see how to make these cupcakes. Before we start the recipe, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Take some butter in a bowl. This butter should be at room temperature. Along with the butter, add some sugar and beat this butter and sugar for about a minute or 2 till it's light and fluffy. Beat it till it's nice and fluffy like this. Then add 2 eggs to this mixture. Along with the eggs, add a teaspoon of vanilla. Beat the eggs along with the butter and sugar. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Beat this mixture for about a minute. Stop your beater in between and scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl so that everything gets mixed well. Then add some milk. Combine the milk along with the other ingredients. All this makes our wet ingredients. Next we can add the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and add some all-purpose flour or maida. Along with the maida, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and then add some salt. Combine all of these ingredients together, mix it well and then sieve it into the bowl. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check that out. Now combine the dry and the wet ingredients. Be gentle, don't over mix the batter. If you want your cake to be nice, soft and fluffy, just mix until it comes together and don't overbeat or over mix the batter. If your batter seems to be a little dry, then you can add anywhere between 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Once the batter is ready, divide the batter equally into 3 different bowls. To one bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and add 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix it till it makes a smooth mixture. This makes a chocolate cake batter. Next we'll make the strawberry batter. For this I am using this strawberry crush. If you don't have this crush, you can use strawberry essence also. Or if the strawberries are in season, you can use fresh strawberry puree or you can use strawberry compote or strawberry jam also. When I made these cupcakes, the strawberries were not in season, so I used the crush. Add 1 tablespoon of strawberry crush. Along with this, add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix it all together. I also added a drop of pink color. This is not needed, it's optional. If you want, you can add. Nowadays you get this strawberry crush in almost all supermarkets, but if you don't get it, I'll leave the online link in the description box. If you need it, you can check it out. So this makes our strawberry batter. Leave the third bowl plain, we'll use it for our vanilla cake batter. Then take a muffin tray and line it with paper liners. Take the chocolate cake batter Add about a tablespoon of the batter into each paper liner. Tap the tray lightly on the counter to spread the batter evenly. Next, add equal amounts of the strawberry cake batter over the chocolate batter. Instead of tapping this on the counter, use a spoon to spread the batter. If you tap it too much, the two layers might mix together. Finally, add equal amounts of the vanilla cake batter on top of the strawberry batter and spread this also with a spoon. Now very gently, lightly tap the pan on the counter a few times, and you can bake this now in the preheated oven for about 16 to 18 minutes. Each oven is different. My oven took about 16 minutes for these cupcakes to bake. Put a skewer or a toothpick in the center of the cupcakes. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. So the Neapolitan cupcakes are done. You can see the three distinct layers. This is such a soft and moist cake. It's so fluffy and so tasty to eat. I have already posted a Neapolitan cake recipe with the same three layers, the chocolate, vanilla and the strawberry. If you want to make a cake instead of these cupcakes, I'll leave the link of this cake recipe in the description box. You can check it out if you need it. These are small, pretty looking cupcakes, easy to serve in a celebration or a party and easy to eat also. You can serve these cupcakes as it is, but if it's for a party or a celebration, then you can choose to frost it. For the frosting, I've taken three flavors, the chocolate, vanilla and the strawberry flavors. If you want to see this frosting recipe, then you should check the Neapolitan cake recipe. I've given the details of this frosting in that video. Take your favorite nozzle. I'm using an open star nozzle. Put the nozzle into a large piping bag and then take all the three frostings and put it inside the large piping bag. Then squeeze the frosting and you will get an even layer of all the three frostings. This way you can get all three flavors of the frosting in each cupcake. Now we can start frosting the cupcakes. Now let's cut into one cupcake to see the three layers. This is a beautiful looking cupcakes. This will definitely be a showstopper in any of your celebrations. Whether you like the chocolate flavor, vanilla or the strawberry flavor, you will definitely enjoy and love these cupcakes. So for the next birthday party at your home, definitely try out these beautiful and pretty looking and tasty Neapolitan cupcakes. Until next time, bye bye.